Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Pikachu in Pokémon Black and White. Many trainers are surprised to learn that Pikachu cannot be caught in the wild throughout the Unova region. Unlike other games, you won't find this beloved electric-type Pokémon roaming in tall grass or caves. But don't worry, there are still legitimate ways to bring Pikachu into your game. We'll explore two main methods to help you add this fan favorite to your team. The first and most common method involves using the Pikachu Transfer Lab. This facility allows you to bring Pokémon from your Generation 4 games, such as Diamond, Pearl, Platinum, Heart Gold, or Soul Silver, into your Black or White version. First, you'll need to catch a Pikachu in one of those older games. After you've completed the main story in Black or White, head to the Pikachu Transfer Lab on Route 15 to initiate the transfer process. It's a straightforward way to unite your Pokémon across generations. Another excellent way to get Pikachu is by trading with a friend. If you know someone who already has a Pikachu in their Pokémon Black or White game, perhaps obtained through a transfer themselves, they can trade it to you. This method is often quicker if you have a local friend with the game. You can connect your Nintendo DS systems wirelessly for a direct trade. Online trading communities can also be a great resource for finding trainers willing to help you complete your collection. So, while catching Pikachu in the wild isn't an option in Pokémon Black and White, you now know two reliable ways to get this iconic Pokémon. Whether you transfer one from an older game or trade with a friend, you can definitely add Pikachu to your Unova adventure. Once you have your Pikachu, you can train it, battle with it, or even evolve it into a powerful Raichu using a Thunderstone. Enjoy your new electric-type companion.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.